Good morning, this is Sharon Priya from BZA News. India today hosts the Global AI Summit 2035 in New Delhi, bringing together leaders, innovators, and policymakers from across the world.
Prime Minister Ramika Sen is expected to arrive at the AI Summit venue any moment now. Founders of Nocturne Syndicate Aditya and Vikram are also set to join the Global AI Summit 2035. Distinguished guests, esteemed delegates, and innovators from around the world, please join me in welcoming the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Ramika Sen.
नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे भारतीयों, आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. Today, artificial intelligence is no longer an idea of the future. It is shaping the present of our nation, from the smallest village to the largest metropolitan city. From our farmlands to our smart cities and rural communities, over 80% of India now runs on artificial intelligence. From education to healthcare, AI is shaping every decision we make.
Good morning. You slept for 6 hours and 42 minutes. Based on your rest levels, today's productivity is expected to be moderate.
In our cities, metros, AI is guiding transportation, work, social life, making life faster, smarter, more efficient. In our classrooms, our children are learning guided by AI, shaping the next generation of India.
Today, we will explore the simulated environment projected on the board. Observe the energy transfer. Now open your tablets to Chapter 4. The AI assistants will guide you through the augmented reality sequence.
From small moments to big decisions, AI is now a constant companion in our lives.
Should I accept the client's terms or should I negotiate? What if it fails, I wonder?
Negotiation shows higher success potential, estimated at 87%.
Is this a red flag?
Low risk, continue interaction.
Should I continue or break up?
Continue, relationship stability predicted.
Children, write a note about what makes you happiest.
What should I write?
Your happiness is best supported by time with friends.
This research examines today's human decision-making and how AI influences even our smallest choices.
AI is empowering every citizen to make better decisions.
When every decision is suggested, is it still theirs?
As India celebrates its centenary, we will stand at the top, not just in adoption, but in innovation.
If this continues, we won't lose jobs, we'll lose judgment.
The future belongs to nations that master intelligence.
Then we must decide, will intelligence remain human or become automated?
We aim for the top position in the world.
At the top, there is no room for weakened minds.
India will lead responsibly. Jai Hind.
Thank you, madam, for your inspiring words. I now invite Mr. Aditya, CEO of Nocturne Syndicate, to share his vision for India over the next 12 years.
I want to share just one thing. AI is powerful. It can guide us, strengthen us, elevate us. But tools exist to extend human capability, not replace human will. Innovation without awareness creates dependence. Growth without balance creates weakness. Let us control AI and shape our future together. Only then will the next 12 years be truly great. Let us make this promise, and together place our nation at the top.
Bharat Mata ki jai.
Bharat Mata ki jai.
Bharat Mata ki jai.